Still a bit vampire.
To be fair, Mick had it perfect, didn't he?
Yeah. Singing. Fine. Like Richard.
Yeah, look, maybe a beer can.
What's your jacket for?
Very short spoon. Just throw a spoon on fire. Yeah.
Oh, I'll have no stirred it properly.
You will need spoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, something to be know.
Sing Waltz and Matilda again there.
Knew you weren't recording. Wall sing.
Charlie
As in dancing.
Say something to him then. He watches it.
What?
Say something, say hi Joshua or something.
Hi Joshua.
We'll do it when they stop talking. And Paul, you say, who's Joshua?
Hi Joshua.
Tiny kangaroo down. Spot. Kangaroo down. La 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 la.
Look at them, look at them.
Got blow. Plastic.
That's another guy. Australian song. I'm Jake.
Won't do any Rolf Harris stuff.
That's what that is. I'm Jake.
With the words.
Sound a bit enough. Oh, yeah, somewhere a bit
I'm getting any thingy,
all
isn't it?
like oh, it's going out.
Huh?
Going out. Me, what's that?
Say everyone.
Where's that lad from?
Mike.
That's a nice one.
Can you go get your CD? Let's have a look.
Jealousy was only from jealousy. My heart was broken.
And you whistle.
Yeah, right.
It's clear all your garden.
It's got plastic on it.
You always have something. Every time I come, it's slow to work.
Paul,
He does just.
Paul gets all his friends to dump all the rubbish.
Oh, would you believe it?
Quite clear, isn't it?
You have to start charging them.
Quite clear now, isn't it?
Says you have to start charging.